National Fund Disability of Kenya ochiwo gig thieth manengo giromo siling milion 5 ne osiptal mar AIC Children's Hospital mantiere Kijabe mar konyo e chiwo thieth mowinjore ne nyithindo mani kod ng'ol. Kotanli kod Profesa Julia Ojambo giwacho ni osiptandno geto chiwo thieth makare ne nyithindo mantiere kod ng'ol, kabende osiptalno osetimo bero ne jotuo matindogo moheo 3,000. Okang' mar chiwo sirno owacho kanyo ni biro medo chiwo thuolo makare mar thieth. Gigeno tiyo kod sir makamago mar medo chwalo thieth ne oganda jo Kenya mamoko kata mantiere modak e miere mamoko ma oganda to kendo gionge kod nyalo.
The hospital to purchase equipment that is going to help them not only to cure but also to rehabilitate children who have, for various reasons, are unable to use their limbs, able to use their bodies, and whichever other movements that they have been lacking. So the fund has acquired equipment worth 5 million. These are special projects. We normally are not able to fund just one project with that amount.
We are honored and privileged to have the National Fund for the Disabled in Kenya coming to partner with us by supporting us get this very specialized equipment because this is pediatric equipment. The need is great. Every year we see, for example, last year we saw about 24,000 patients in our outpatient here in Kijabe, and as well as the mobile clinics that we go to at least 27 of our counties. And from those